Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Volkswagen Tiguan here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So make sure your ignition is switched on and then come to the screen in the center of the dash. And then from here, you want to go to menu, then scroll across and then go to settings, then time and date, and then from here at the top you can have it on GPS, so it automatically sort the date and the time out for you, or if you want to do it manually you can click on GPS and go to manual, then select what time you need and then press back and that will save that. And also from here you can do summertime, put it forward and back 1 hour, your time zones, and then your dates. The same again, when you're done, press back and that'll save it.